Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 58 and today I'm looking at how to lock cells. So the first question will be, why would I want to lock cells? So yesterday we looked at how we can protect a sheet. And when we looked at protecting a sheet under review, we say that we have a number of options here and you can choose basically what you want your users to be able to do. But there are these first two options here. The first one is, do you want to allow your users to select logged cells or select unlogged cells? Sometimes you might want to be able to determine whether a user can select a specific area of your report. For example, here, do you want your user to be able to select here? And also, do you want the user to be able to edit? Because currently I can just edit this mark to whatever basically I want it to be. And there is no limitation. But then it defeats the purpose if this is just a report you are distributing to people and someone is going to make different or wrong conclusions because they have edited the data by error. So you would want to protect the data and lock the data from being edited and only allow them to edit specific sections so that they can interact with your report. So for example, this section here, totally I wouldn't want my users to be able to edit it. And also the chart and this formula here, I wouldn't want my users to be able to edit it. I would only want them to be able to edit only here where they pick what they want, the student they want to see. So I want them only to be able to edit this cell and all the other cells should be logged basically. So how then can I achieve that? Remember yesterday I mentioned that if you lock, you say protect worksheet, and let's assume I'm going to allow my users to select logged and unlogged cells. The user can still make changes here. For example, can change, and no problem. They can make changes and save the changes. But is this what I want my users to do? No, I don't want them to be able to do that. So what I can do is I lock specific cells. So I can lock all the cells and say under home tab here, I can go and say, sorry, I just want to first remove and protect sheet. Then under home, I go to format and say lock cells. Note that at this point, I've just selected the cells that I want to lock, but if I don't put protect sheet in place, then this is not yet effective, so I can still make changes. Okay, then I want this cell to be editable, so I don't want to lock this cell. So I can say, I can select it and go to format and say lock cell. So I've basically unchecked lock cell. Then I can go ahead and protect my sheet now. So I can protect sheet and say allow the user to be able to select logged cells. I'm still allowing them to select logged cells, but that doesn't mean they can edit. They can just select, but they cannot edit it. Then I say okay. Now if I try to edit, for example, here to 55, you'll see it will tell me that I can't make changes because the cell is logged. This is what I want. I don't want my users to be able to change anything here, but I want them to be able to interact my report through this cell and be able to select any student here. So I can select student here and still my report is responding. So this is how you can make use of lock cells and combine it with unprotected sheet, because before you protect your sheet, lock cell is not in effect. So you have to protect your sheet for your lock cell to come into effect. All right, so that's it. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.